Hey guys, it's your girl Diana. I am back. I just did this makeup look. Hopefully you guys see it soon. But I'm heading to run some errands, so I decided to do a get ready with me. So let's get dressed. So you guys know I either dress from the bottom up or the top down. So we're going to do bottom up today. So these are some Nike Air Max 97s. If you know, you know. I'm a sneakerhead. So this is the sneaker I'll be wearing today. And I forgot to tell you, my feet are really small. So this is a 6 in kids. Yeah. So I have 2 shirts to choose from. I can never just choose a shirt. I can never just choose a pair of sneakers. The jeans are literally like easy for me because I just bought a whole bunch of new jeans. But so yeah, I just pick them out and I'll go. But as far as tops and sneakers, please, like, you don't even want to know how much t-shirts and how much sneakers I have. But if you know me, then you know, because I definitely have a sneaker haul on my channel. But it's not about that today. So this is the first shirt. This is a Game Boy shirt. I think I got this from H&M like 4 or 5 years ago. Yes, and it's still white. Take care of your stuff. And this next shirt is from, I think it's from Hot Topic. Yeah. So I have this one. It has blue in it, and the sneakers are gray, white, and blue. So I feel like it'll go. The Game Boy shirt goes way more, but I don't know which one I should choose. But these are the options. So my accessories will be this Yankee fitted Bronx, New York, you already know. In case it starts to rain again, it's raining right now. So yeah, I'll probably just tuck my hair in and put my hat on. And then when I get in the store, I'll probably take it off because y'all got to see what I'm working with. So yes, Yankee fitted all day, every day. Got to have that. And I'm just going to take my Louis Vuitton bag in case I buy something that is like way too heavy and I can't hold it in my hand. I'm just going to use this. It's big and it also has like a shoulder like strap or whatever. So yeah, I won't have to hold it in my hand. So these are the accessories for the day. Of course, you got to go with a big umbrella, especially since my hair is done and my makeup is done. This is a Victoria's Secret umbrella. And yeah, pretty big and it's super cute and it's pink and it goes with my eyeshadow. So I have my jeans. They're just from Old Navy. I love me some Old Navy jeans. This is the Rockstar Super Skinny High Rise jeans. They're just some black regular jeans because it's raining and you don't want to wear light color jeans and the back of your jeans is like all icky and because you're stepping in puddles and stuff like that. So yeah, so just regular black jeans like I said. So we're just gonna go get dressed, I guess. Yeah. Now that the jeans are on, I don't know what top to wear. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just do the Game Boy because it just goes so much better. And I totally forgot it's super chilly outside. Not super chilly, but it's like 67 and New York has been having 93. So I'm just gonna put on my jacket. So let's put her on. Super cute. Get the hair out, of course. And let's keep accessorizing. Now we're gonna accessorize. Of course, I'm gonna use an Apple Watch. She works when I tell her to work. I forget to plug her in 9 times out of 10. Don't worry about that. And my butterfly necklace from Amazon that my daughter got me. I'm obsessed with it, so we're gonna use it again. So I said that it has a crossbody strap. It doesn't. It just has like shoulder straps. So I'll just put it like this, and if it starts to rain, I will just take my hair and just roll it a bit. Put it into like a little bun and pop my hat on. Push it in there so it does not get messed up. You know, and the face is still going to be the face. It's still going to eat. So, yeah, I wanted to show you guys in case it rains. Would I be overdoing it if I wore these glasses? I'm just saying, like, I know the light is probably hitting them, but, like, I know y'all see it. Should I wear it, though? Am I being extra? I am just going to the supermarket, but still, you never know who you may run into. Just saying, like, am I extra? Because you know I love me an oversized moment. I just wanted to come in and ask. So, it's time to put the sneakers on, but I'm not going to leave right now because I'll have to retake them off and then leave. So I'm going to just show you guys exactly what everything looks like together. And then I'm going to leave because I don't wear shoes in my house. But I wanted to come on and show you guys the final look. So we have our hat in case it rains. We have our umbrella and we have our bag. So I wanted to come and show you guys the final look. This is what we got going on. The sneakers are on. And I hope you guys enjoyed my Get Ready With Me. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all. I like the way your body is. It's got too obvious, okay? I like your confidence.